Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect QuickBooks to your bank account. First, navigate to the Banking tab within QuickBooks Online. From there, you'll select the Add Account button. Next, search for your specific financial institution. Once found, you will securely enter your online banking username and password. This initial step is crucial for establishing a smooth data flow between your bank and QuickBooks, ensuring accurate financial tracking. After entering your credentials, QuickBooks will display a list of your available bank accounts. You'll then select which specific accounts you want to connect. It's important to specify the date range for importing past transactions, often up to 90 days. Carefully review all the connection details before confirming. Once confirmed, QuickBooks will securely begin importing your transactions, making your bookkeeping much more efficient. Sometimes you might encounter issues connecting. First, double-check that your online banking login credentials are correct. Banks occasionally perform maintenance, so check their website for any reported outages. Ensure your web browser is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. If problems persist, try disconnecting the bank feed and then reconnecting it. These steps resolve most common connection challenges. Connecting your bank account offers significant benefits. You'll enjoy automated transaction categorization, saving you valuable time. Account reconciliation becomes much faster and more accurate, reducing errors. This connection provides real-time financial insights, helping you make informed business decisions. Remember to regularly review and categorize your imported transactions to maintain precise financial records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.